Shaista. Welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Aries, I'm starting with you today. This is going to be a reading for you from the 14th of October till the 21st of October 2020, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. The cards I'm using today is the World Spirit Tarot. That's the deck I'm using for you, and the oracle deck that I'm using for you is the Thread of Fate. All right. I would like you all to please remember that these readings that I have for you are general readings, and they may not always resonate with all of you. But if you're keen to get a personal reading done, you may reach me via email. I've mentioned it in the description box, so you can do that. As far as how these cards resonate with you, this could be for you, your person, or the situation you're undergoing currently, or it could just be a vice versa kind of an energy, because these are general readings. All right. So Aries, for you, 14th to the 21st of October. Alright, Aries. When I look at your overall reading, the energy for the reading, the card I have here is the card of the Hermit. Your intuitions are running really high. It could also mean that you're probably dealing with a situation where probably you are involved with a Virgo. That's also very possible. You are definitely quite grounded right now, and there's a lot happening with you. Let's just go and see. So Aries, when I look at your recent past, I see the Sage of Pentacles, I see the Moon, and I see the Magician. So I see that there was some kind of a message you probably received, an email perhaps, or just some kind of an information that you received, and you kind of started thinking about it quite negatively, and that went from you just illusioning the worst, imagining the worst, looking at only the dark side of it. You were very suspicious about this. It could have been somebody reaching out to you to start a business proposition perhaps, or just some kind of an offer that was made to you, Aries, and you didn't look at it very positively, knowing fully well that you had the capability of manifesting things the way you wanted it to. So I think somewhere there was this confusion, and you ended up probably reading too much into it. All right. In your current situation, I see that you have the World, the Empress, and the Hanged Man. Everything was going great guns for you. You were in control of your emotions, you were in control of your household, your business, your relationship, whatever your situation is. Everything was going great guns for you. You had the total completion of having it all, and everything was going great. But somehow I see that you're yet very confused. This confusion is not necessarily something which is bad. What I want to tell you is that if some of you are feeling like this, it's a good phase to be in, because you're actually not confused. You're hanging in there, not because of confusions, because of doubts, but because you're looking within. You are actually looking at it more calmly now, because you've kind of removed yourself from that situation. All right, so some of you are probably going through something like that. Maybe everything is going great guns, but you're not really feeling great from inside. And that's kind of got you thinking that, the feeling of being satisfied, dissatisfied, or whatever that you're going through, you're definitely going through that. But this is a good thing to be in, okay? Because it helps you self-evolve, helps you to look within yourself. So it kind of is a good card to have here in your present situation. When I look at your immediate future, I see the Temperance, the Chariot, and the Three of Swords. There is going to be some kind of a heartbreak. Maybe you're hoping something is going to materialize, and you're giving so much of yourself to this that it's kind of going to be a disappointment for you. Definitely, I definitely see movement, and I see you trying to handle it as gently as possible, trying to get that balance in your relationship, or whatever, the balance in your business. You're trying to do all of that. You're trying to juggle and trying to make sure that nothing goes out of control, and you start moving in that direction, but somehow it's not going to end too well for you. But with this Hermit card here, it says that this is a learning. So whatever that goes wrong for you right now, Aries, or whatever, it's just temporary. It's not something that you will never see the light of day, or it's gone, it's finished, your business, your relationship, or whatever. No, this is just a temporary situation, but you have a lot to learn from it. That's what it tells me with the Hermit card here. All right, so lessons to be learned. That is how I would like to address your reading in general. All right, so that's from me to you, Aries. Let's look at your oracle card. Message from the universe for Aries for the week 14th to 21st of October 2020. Give us a message, please. What's the oracle that's saying to us? These are messages, of course. These are such waxy cards. They're crazy to shuffle. Absolutely, and I think that's a great message from the universe for you, Aries. It says you have the power, you have the control, you are not somebody who can be taken lightly. You're somebody who needs to be, very strong, and you are a very powerful personality by itself. It's telling you to release anything negative. See, I did tell you right when I started doing your reading that there is some kind of an illusion, assumptions, pre-assumptions, and the negative kind of a bent of mind right now that you're going through. Sorry, you need to release that, Aries. You definitely need to release that, and you need to start connecting with your heart. You are just thinking too much with your head. You think you're being very practical. You've kept your emotions aside, perhaps. But what the universe is telling you is you probably need to connect to your inner self. And this it told you by giving you the Hermit card. If you remember, you had the overall energy of the Hermit. And it also showed us that you needed to probably be in that hangman position, which you are in currently, which gives you, tells you to give things benefit of the doubt, tells you to learn from those mistakes, look within. Forget looking at what everybody else has done to you or someone else has done to you. You need to look within yourself. So connecting to the heart is extremely important, and lessons learned, what you're learning out of it. So I think that's what I see for you guys. All right, so that's you, Aries, and then I see you next week. Until then, goodbye, take care.